See the chapter 5, simultaneous linear equation. Exercise 5a, you have to solve the following equation by elimination method or substitution method, any method. The exercise 5a, question number 1, I have copied the question. 8x plus 5y equal to 9, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. There are two equations given. You have to solve the two equations by any method, but I am solving elimination method. See, elimination means you have to eliminate either x or y. I am here eliminating y. Before that, I have to make y equal. See here 5y, here 2y. Means equation 1 into 2 and equation 2 into 5. Then making 10y, 10y. Then you have to subtract. Then answer coming x is equal to minus 2. Putting the value of x in equation 1 from equation 1. X is equal to minus 2 put here, then result 2 will be y is equal to 5. In this way I am getting the value of x and y by the method elimination method. Linear equation 2 variable exercise 5a, simultaneous linear is the first class of this exercise. Solving simultaneous equation 2 variable by elimination method. Any method you can apply as per the question given. I am doing elimination method. Okay. Elimination means you have to eliminate either y or y, x. I am eliminating here y, making equal number of y. Let us go number 2. Just see. See the question number 2. It is given 5x minus 3y equal to 16. 3x minus y is equal to 12. There are two equations given for two variables x and y. This is equal to simultaneous linear equation, and you have to make it equal number of y, multiplying equation 2 with 3 and equation 1 with 1. Then number of y will be equal. Then if it is same sign, you have to add. Sorry, if they are same sign, you have to subtract, and if it is opposite sign, you have to add. Okay, multiplying 3 in equation 2 will get 9x minus 3y equal to 36. After subtraction, the result coming minus 4x and here minus 20. The value of x you are getting 5. The putting the value of x in equation 1 or 2 you can put. I am taking here equation 2. From equation 2 put the value of x, that is 5 here. You will get y equal to 3. This is the way of solving question number 2 by elimination method. Let us go number 3. Just see. See the question number 3. Question given 4x minus 5y equal to 19. 3x plus 2y equal to 43. There are two equations. You have to solve the two equations by any method, either elimination method or substitution method. I am doing this number by substitution method. From equation 1, find the value of x. This should be, x will be how much? 19 plus 5y by 4. From equation you have to find out the value of x or y. Finding the value of x, this minus 5y will go that side, this will be plus 5y, and this 4 divided, that means x is equal to 19 plus 5y by 4. You make it equation number 3 here. Now from equation 1 you got the value of x, and that value of x put in equation 2. Put in the value of x in equation 2. That means now 3x. What is the value of x you got? From 1 I am finding the value of x, and that value of x you have to substitute in equation 2. The x value is how much? 19 plus 5y by 4. This is plus 2y is equal to 43. Now take LCM. The LCM will be 4 here. This is 19 3 57 plus 5 3 15 y. 2 4 8 y equal to 43. 57 plus 15y plus 8y, 23y. This will be 4 is multiplied. 4 3 are 12, 172. Okay. Now 23y will be 172 minus 57. After that y will be how much? You have to divide 23 and 172 minus 57. It will be how much? 12 minus 7, that is 5. 6 minus 5, 1 and 1. Now this will be 115 by 23. 23 5 ja. That means y equal to how much you got? Y equal to 5. Putting the value of y in equation 3. From equation 3, you got x is equal to, that is you just check how much x is equal to 19 plus 5y, 19 plus 5y, y value you got 5 divided by 4. So this is coming 19 plus 5, 25 divided by 4. 25 plus 9, 44 by 4. 4 means this is coming 11. So what is the value of x today you got? The value of x is 11 and value of y you got 5. This equation I have solved by substitution method. Okay, you are mentioning here by substitution method. This equation I have solved by substitution method. Substitution method. Substitution method is nothing but you have to substitute the value of x or y from equation 1 and that value you have to put in equation 2. From equation 1 I found the value of x, that is 19 plus 5y by 4, and that value of x you have to substitute in equation 2. Then you are getting how much? Just see, y equal to 5 and put in the value of y in equation 3, you will get the value of x. In this way I am getting the value of x and y by the method substitution method, and first two questions I have solved by elimination method. There are 3 questions I have completed today. Next I will continue from 4. Thank you for today's class.